stuff in the freaking way here. All these wires. Oh, too small. Heck, can't be metric with it. What the? Folks, I don't know. Oh, it was 9/16, but it's not metric, it's not 9/16. Let's try this one for sure, shall we? All these wires are on that one. Can you believe it, folks? Gotta do all this just to change out a timing chain. There's that one. Now, see if this will go down over there. I don't know what's worse. Having to go through all this work just to change out a timing belt, or two, having to deal with all these wires in the way. Gee Louises. Yeah, my hands are bigger than get this out of the way. Shit, as soon as I get it out of the way, go right back in there. It's out. I just can't reach it, folks. Oh, there we go. You always want to put them in the order that you take them off. That way they go back in their same location. Ouch. That freaking hurt. Can't get that to come off either. So, there we go. Uh-oh. That's not good. Shit. Trying to take the valve cover off on both sides here so I can change out the timing chain. There's a 3.9 Dodge Dakota, and the nut came off and not the post. Shoot, that's not good. Wait a minute, here, there's a wire, a ground wire. There we go. I always want to put them together, folks. This is from, there's a ground wire that comes onto this post, and so you don't want to lose that nut there. All these hoses and wires. Turn on. Okay, put that here. I left this hose up here. The water hose is leaking over there. Jeez Louises. Now, the hardest one. Let's move this pump out of the way here. I can't get it open. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, here goes one. See if I can do this without dumping all this dirt out on it. Now, how do I set this? I'll be moving that here in a second. Get this fucking paper out of here. Don't want that in your engine. Let's move you over here, because now, put this pump over here again. What the heck? There's no way they're two different sizes. Oh, there you go. I'm missing one right here. My hands are so large I can barely get them in there. Okay. Uh-oh. Really? Did all this work? And what's going to stop me is a plastic clip? I can't. Come on. I can't even get it to unclip. Why in the world is this not? Jeez. Oh, come on. Folks, at this point, I'm just trying to rip the damn thing off. It won't unclip. I just cannot understand why it's not coming apart here. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, you have got to be. All this, and what's stopping me is a piece of freaking 2-inch plastic. Dude, you have got to be freaking kidding me. Trash. Well, it just will not unclip. Okay. Now it just slides right off. The whole damn time I was fighting, I was trying to slide it off. Oh, jeez. What is... Jeez! What the... This has got to be the hardest fucking bolt to ever unbolt. Jeez Louise, man, what the... Okay, now I gotta move all this crap back out of my way. See if I can add some length to that. And all this. Okay, last one for this side. Holy crap, dude. Oh. Okay, well,